The next phase is we have one of our check measurers prepare the shop drawing components. Our check measurer will then come back out to your home and go through every detail. So from when you sign the contract with our designer to the check measure appointment, between there you need to have, and we'll work with you, finalise appliances, finalise your colours and all the design components. Our check measure will come out, meet with you, go through every detail of the kitchen. Things go wrong with kitchens through misunderstandings and miscommunications. We have a number of steps involved, like this second step with the check measurer, to make sure that doesn't happen, or to reduce that human error opportunities that can happen. For me, it's about you having the opportunity to get the best kitchen, the best bathroom that you can. So if you make a change at that point because you feel it's not everything you want and you want to make a change, I'm sitting here saying, fantastic, let's get it right. The check measure will go away, redraw the kitchen, redraw the bathroom, put every detail on it, email it back to you with far more detail for you to sign off on it. And again, that's not so that we're right and it's not so that you're right, it's so that your job is right. We get fixed dates from our suppliers. We give you a call, have a chat with you, say this is the earliest date we can start it. And then from there, we work in with you as to starting it, and to make sure that we don't start it too early if we're waiting on something. We want to reduce or keep the inconvenience to you at a minimum. So we'll have all those conversations with you, get some agreements with you. Once we do that, we'll email you a schedule of installation. We have a dedicated project manager that will work with you, with the installer, the plumber, the electrician, the tiler, the plasterer, whatever's involved in your project, and the project manager will work with you right through to the end to when it's completed. We're shaking hands and admiring the end result.